And this morning, let's get you the latest figures that's been released by the government on the coronavirus outbreak in India. The total cases now has crossed the 60,000 mark. It's at 62,939. The death toll, unfortunately, has also raised over the weekend to 2,109. We're also breaking down the state-wise data for you. Maharashtra has the most number of cases, over 20,228 cases in Maharashtra, 779 is the death toll. In Gujarat, the number of cases has reached 7,798 with 472 deaths being reported so far. Over to the national capital, where the number of cases has increased to 6 with 73 deaths being reported so far. Those are the latest figures as of 6:30 this morning. Let's also get you a roundup of the top 5 developments that we're tracking on the coronavirus outbreak. 9 policemen at Delhi Sultanpuri police station have tested positive for coronavirus on Sunday. They've been admitted to AIIMS Jhajjar in Haryana and are currently undergoing treatment. All their contacts are being traced. The Sultanpuri police station, meanwhile, has been sanitized. Fifteen, including a BSF personnel, have tested positive for coronavirus in Tripura on Sunday, taking the total number of cases in the state to over 150. Now, till date, 121 Border Security Force personnel in Tripura have tested positive for coronavirus. Contact tracing and sample collection has begun. India's elite counter-terrorism force, the National Security Guard, has reported its first confirmed coronavirus case. This is a 33-year-old personnel who's tested positive in Haryana's Manesar. Now, this is, in fact, he's currently undergoing treatment, and the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in India's paramilitary forces is now 750. The Uttar Pradesh government has removed the chief medical officer of Agra after the spurt in coronavirus cases in the city. A total of 750 cases have been reported so far in Agra, and the only, in fact, city which is a major hotbed in Uttar Pradesh. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju has said that the training of athletes will resume soon in a phased manner. The minister will interact with athletes today as well as tomorrow to take stock of the situation. All sporting events currently are at a halt due to the lockdown imposed to tackle coronavirus.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.